Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but I'm back. um, Happy New Year, it's 2020. I can't believe it's 2020, honestly. I think it's been like 6 months since I've done a video, so I'm sorry about the huge time gap, but let's get back to it. Today I'm going to be opening and unboxing a brand new skincare like oil set. I'm not exactly sure what you would call it. It's serum set. Ha, there we go, serum set. I got this on Amazon. I have been looking for something new and something different, and this is it for me right now. So let's go ahead and get to it. It's still in its little bubble wrapping. I got it like probably a week ago. I want to say like a week ago, but I haven't gotten a chance to open it yet. So I'm excited. Like, I've been waiting to try this out. Little ASMR for you. I'm sure that was loud. Okay, this is the Hansen Anti-Aging Serum Set with vitamin C and E. I'm gonna butcher this. Hyaluronic acid. I'm not even gonna try. And retinol. I'll just go ahead and show you. And I got this off of Amazon, like I told you. And it's got a lot of really good reviews and stuff like that. Of course, there's a few of them out there, that don't like it, but there's always the select few. So I wanted to try it out for myself. I've tried a few, from like Target and from like Ulta and stuff like that, but I never found like an actual one I really like, something like I stick to, because they always end up like bothering my skin one way or another. So this is the retinol. I've never tried retinol, so I'm gonna have to try this very, very, very easy. I know this stuff can be kind of strong on sensitive skin, which I have. So here's what it looks like. I mean, it's super cute. The packaging's cute. It feels good, like not too bad. Apply 2 pumps to fingertips and apply that to your face. Retinol is formulated with organic aloe vera and fusilobides. I don't know how to pronounce that again. Oh my god. I'll show you. To soften and heal, boost collagen production, and reduce fine lines and hyperpigmentation. That's awesome. Totally awesome. See if you can even see that. I doubt it. There's a long word there and I cannot pronounce it because I get tongue-tied. I'm excited to try it. It doesn't look like too difficult or frustrating to figure out. So it should be pretty easy to figure out. I'll have to look up online a couple of tutorials and stuff like that of people who have used the same things, because that's honestly, it's good to do your research. It's always awesome to try things, right off the bat, if you're excited and stuff like that. But do your research. At least watch 1 or 2 videos. Brightening serum, vitamin C and E. Beauty and natural way. Let's see this again. Anti-aging vitamin C and E serum stimulates collagen and is effective at reducing fine lines and wrinkles. Get a youthful and radiant glow in a matter of days. Apply 2 to 3 drops to the fingertips. Apply and massage into desired areas. Again, here it is. I'm going to show you the packaging. Sorry. It's super cute. Like, I'm not going to lie. These two look very cute. Like, aesthetic alone, super cute. So let's get to the third. So there's 3 that came in this set. Okay, this Eve Hansen Beauty the Natural Way. I'm going to show you the back of that. See if you can see that a bit. This is the last one. I can't pronounce that. I'm going to have to look that up, how it's pronounced, because I'm having a hard time with it. But it's this one, and again, packaging super damn cute. This one looks like it's supposed to be for, what does it say? Maybe I didn't say that. Here we go. Okay. The acid serum is enriched with anti-aging vitamin C and E. Okay. Green tea, minimizing fine lines and wrinkles, dark circles, and under eye puffiness. Way like that. AM, PM, so you can do both. Apply 3 to 5 drops to fingertips. Gently pat and massage into skin. Okay, so that's awesome. I'm really excited to try these 3 out. They look cool. Like I said, great reviews on Amazon, and they were under, I want to say under $30, so it's like $28 or something like that. So it's really not that bad, especially for 3. I remember I got one at Target, and it was like $20, just the one. And it wasn't terrible or anything like that. Like, it wasn't not worth it, but it's literally just one, and it's $20. So please, just, this is amazing. 3 for under 30. Now, I have 2 things that I am unboxing right now because I was really curious this year and wanted to start it off right. So we're getting ourselves some brand new serums for our face because I'm 32. Like, I would like to keep my skin nice and healthy as long as possible. So this is the next thing I got, and this is a microneedle dermaroller. I've heard mixed things about this. A lot of people really love it. A lot of people are like, I don't know if I like it, or is it even worth it, or I don't know. But this is another one I got off of Amazon. It was one of their bestsellers on there, and I decided I wanted to try it. So we are going to unbox this one. Sorry about the glare on camera. So again, so cute. Okay, so sanitize with roller with alcohol, rubbing alcohol. Wash your face, apply the treatment serum or cream, optional. Gently roll the treatment 4 to 8 times diagonally, vertically, and horizontally, directly after. Apply your favorite topical skincare product to the treatment area. Rinse roller in hot water, and then sanitize again. Well, of course, you should always sanitize when it's on your face. Sorry, I just put my earring back in. Right here, on your cartilage. And I have a difficult time with my hair sticking to it. And it kind of hurts because it pulls. Anyway, let's get this open. Again. ASMR sounds. I'm going to go ahead and put this over here. And I'll go ahead and put my link to these in the description below because, just in case any of you want to try either of these out. Sorry, again, I got tongue-tied. All right, let's pull this up. Ooh, she's pretty. Pretty, so wrapped up. Message from the family. Sorry, then just. Oh, it looks like in like one of those surgical, like, wraps. I like that. Keeps it all like sterilized. Like, if somebody's touched it. Like, I'm sorry, I'm stretching it out. It's just completely wrapped up. And that's kind of what it looks like. Again, there's the glare. Let me take it out. And then my next video, I'm gonna review both of these. Maybe I'll make a video of trying, like, my first impressions of these. I think that would be a good idea. So she goes ahead and she gives you the, directions and all that jazz. Same thing I basically read to you. Precautions. Our roller is built to be used every other day. However, if you have sensitive skin, we recommend using only once per week until your skin adapts. It is important to make sure you allow your skin to get a full recovery before beginning the next treatment. Inspect the needles every time you use and replace your roller every 1 to 2 months. So you should replace it pretty often. I would say look into that, how well you can take care of it. Make sure that it's not, like going to ish, basically. First off, I just want to say thank you. Nice. So, cool. Talking about review and all that jazz. So, let's open this. Okay, so I can rip it. Claim now. Oh, warranty. She looks pretty. I mean, it's a container. It's really pretty. Okay, you ready? I don't want to touch it. If you can see, there are little tiny itsy bitsy needles on there. You can't. I'm sorry. I'm trying. You can't see it though. There are needles. There we go. All over that. Tiny ones. And what you're supposed to do is, once you've cleaned your face and you've applied a serum, if that's what you want, you don't have to. You go up, across, and diagonal. And you do this all over your face. This is really good for acne scars and hyperpigmentation and uneven spots on your skin. Don't ever put it over active acne. It's got this really cute little case where you put it back in here. It kind of reminds me of a shaver. It's not a shaver. It's not a shaver. But yeah, that's what it's for. And that is what I wanted to show you guys today. I'm super excited. I really am excited to make a first impressions video for you guys for these, because I'm just anxious to see if I can tell any difference in my face over time, you know what I mean? Like whether or not my face is lightening, or just honestly, just to see if like my fine lines and stuff like that will go away. I mean, I don't have much, but what I do have, I don't want. So let's see if we can do anything about these. I know like you can't reverse aging or anything like that, but I'm damn well not gonna like just succumb to it. I'm gonna fight that. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and you'll see more of me. I have a couple other little things that I want to do too on top of these. So yeah, that was it. Make sure that you hit that like button if you like the video. Subscribe if you're new to my channel, and check out my other videos. Hit up my social media, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.